It is amazing how by making small changes we can achieve big results. Replace spending with saving. Replace television with reading. Replace overthinking with action. Replace desires with goals. Replace wasting money with investing. Replace watching porn with any hobby. Replace slouching with sitting upright. Replace toxic friends with mentors. Replace procrastination with action taking. Replace sleeping in with early mornings. Replace influencers with creators. Replace fear with determination. Replace consumption with creation. Replace complaining with gratitude. Replace chasing women or men with chasing your purpose. Replace alcohol with water. But, this post is going to separate those who actually want to do well in life from those who make excuses. Want to fly like an eagle? Then you must break your shells.